Hi, I'm Alicia and welcome to my channel Papercraft Secrets. Today I'm really excited to be sharing a brand new Mintay Papers collection called Merry Little Christmas. Now I can imagine that you have been waiting to find out what the Mintay Christmas collection is going to be this year, and just having a look at the gorgeous colours and the gorgeous elements you can see here, you're not going to be disappointed. So in the Mintay Papers range, there are different sections. So we've got 12 by 12 scrapbooking paper set. We've also got a 12 by 12 cardboard sticker sheet. We have a number 9 12 by 12 page. We have a 6 by 8 add-on paper pack, a 6 by 6 scrapbooking paper pad, and we have the paper die cuts. So these are all the different elements of the collection, and I'm going to take you through everything so that you've got a really good knowledge of what's in each collection. So I like to start with the cardboard sticker sheet. I find that this sets us up for what this collection is all about, and because it's Christmas, it's pretty obvious it's a Christmas collection. So we've got Merry Christmas at the top, we've got Have Yourself a Merry Little Christmas, All I Want for Christmas Is You, Believe in the Magic of Christmas, Merry Little Christmas, Our Family Christmas, Joy to the World. So all of the sentiments are going to be about Christmas, and you can see the colour scheme. It's a very pale mint. It's candy cane red and white, and it's got that beautiful pink in it as well. So it's just a beautiful colour scheme. It's very fresh, very inspiring, with cute little images. Alright, so that's our 12 by 12 sticker sheet. So let's take a look now at our 12 by 12 papers. This is the front cover of the 12 by 12 scrapbooking paper set. When you turn over on the back, this is where you have your fussy cut element page. We've got a cute little pink car saying Merry Christmas. We've got gingerbread houses. We've got gingerbread. We've got beautiful deer. We've got stars. We've got candy canes, poinsettia flowers, and little baubles, and a wreath over here, a hot cocoa or a hot chocolate, and a plate of presents, and a Christmas tree. So a little bit of everything in our colour scheme: the mint, the candy cane red, we've got green as well, the green foliage, the pink, the gingerbread colour, the natural colour of the deer. Everything coordinates. Let's move to the very first page and have a look at this amazing page that we've got here. Look at this. Wow. We've got the little pink, is that a mini? A little pink mini car, and a beautiful tree and clusters of Christmas goodness. And then this beautiful page here, this section of the page here, it says Merry Christmas with the gingerbread houses and the presents, and a snow scene in the background. On the reverse, just a beautiful, calming snowflake sky. Lovely mint colour with the white snowflakes. This one here, we have the bench, or the table, I should say, possibly bench or a table, displaying Christmas treats, Christmas tree decorations, a ladder here, and then at the top we have things hanging down. We've got baubles, bells, Merry Christmas bunting, and that same beautiful snowflake background. Gorgeous page. Okay, so here we have our candy cane stripes. So we've got pink in the middle and then a darker pink dotted through the white stripe there for our background. Okay, this is a beautiful winter scene. This time we've got a red truck the trees, the green foliage, the snowy background, and a deer here in the center, in the foreground. Oh, beautiful. On the back here we have a lovely mint knitted jumper. Perfect to keep you warm and cozy at Christmas time if you're in the snow. This is a beautiful page. Look at this wreath, absolutely gorgeous. A gorgeous background of white shutters, little gingerbread and houses, and these beautiful birds decorated throughout. And on the reverse of this we have a gingham checked page in red and white. So we're starting to see how our background papers are coordinating and contrasting. We've got different patterns, different colours. This page here is a very heavily floral page with our poinsettias in the snow, an overlapping floral page. And on the reverse we have a white snowflake. It's white snowflakes on a soft pink background. It's very delicate. Here's our number 6 page with our 12 pictures that we can cut out and use in our crafting projects. And on the reverse we have beautiful wooden vintage frames with our background, a variety of our background papers, the jumper, the candy cane stripes, and the floral poinsettia page. So this brings us back to page number 1, where we have the pink car in the snow. On the reverse we have the beautiful blue or mint snowflake page. I love this page. I think this is really cute. I like this little bench here. Wouldn't it be lovely to have something like this in your home at Christmas time? And then on the reverse we've got our pink stripes. This is our other scene page in the middle of the forest. It's snowing, it's Christmas time. We've got the red truck and the deer. And on the reverse our lovely soft cozy knitted jumper. I actually love this page as well. I think this is my other favourite page. The cute little gingerbread man there poking his head out, and the gorgeous shutter background, the red gingham, the poinsettia flowers in the snow, and the pink snowflake page, and then the number 6 page. Now that is the 12 by 12 scrapbooking paper collection, paper set, but if you wanted to, you can purchase the number 9 page separately, and this gives you extra elements for fussy cutting. And then on the reverse of that is like a pink jumper on this one, like a very soft, looks like an Angora or a soft wool or something jumper, so very cozy. So that's our papers in the 12 by 12. Remembering that our 6 by 6 paper pad has exactly the same pictures in it, except you receive on the back of the front cover and the back of the back cover these extra little elements that you can fussy cut out and add to your projects. So here we have the same pictures that we just looked through, the scene page, the snowflakes, stripes, the red truck, jumper, beautiful wreath, checks, poinsettia, snowflake, and the little pictures, all at on a smaller scale than the 12 by 12, so perfect for card making or smaller projects. And you get 4 of each of the 12 designs. On the reverse too, you've got that extra page for fussy cutting images. So that's our 6 by 6. Let's take a look at the 6 by 8. You can see the difference in the sides. We've got this extra section here. This is a brand new addition to the Mintay Papers collections. And one of the reasons that this has been brought out is so that you've got the perfect size paper for decorating your Mintay Chippies album bases. Here is one of the Mintay Chippies album bases, and it's a beautiful album snowflake mitten album. Okay, so the reason that we can use these papers so easily is because they're the perfect size for our chippy album bases. So you can just easily trace around that, cut it out, paste it on, and there's your background for your album. Whereas the 6x6 paper pad was too small, the 12x12 was quite large. So now we have the perfect size for crafting our albums. So let's take a look at what's inside the 6x8 paper pack, because these pages are different to the 6x6 and different to the 12x12. So here we have a woolen jumper in white, a knitted jumper or some socks perhaps in light pastel blue. There's that pink one again that's on the back of the number 9. We've got a red tartan page. We've got a gorgeous mint weathered wood page. We have this page here, which is our candy cane stripes, but with some berry clusters on top. We've got like a crackled mint page here. Some very bright red stripes, some mint stripes, a lovely white jumper here, soft pink distressed crackled wood, some stripes with the poinsettia, very pastel-y sort of poinsettia flowers. On the back here we've got some love hearts. Here we have gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous wreaths which you can cut out. On the back some writing, and that writing is actually like a Christmas story or perhaps a Christmas song. And then on this side you have some extra elements that you can add. Snowmen and gingerbread girls, leaves and berries, and a little to and a from tag there. And on the reverse of that we've got that pink crackled page again. So in this paper pad you get 3 copies of each design, so that's your second copy there, and then you have a third copy there. And then on the back we've got that jumper page again which matches the front. So that's what's inside the brand new 6x8 page, and it is perfect for album making. The last part of the collection that I'd like to show you today is the paper die cuts. There's 55 paper die cuts in this envelope. That is a lot of die cuts. Let's open up and let's have a look at what they are. If you haven't seen the Mintay die cuts before, you will be impressed when you see them. They are very intricately cut. You can see the antlers are perfectly cut out there. There's even a tiny little gap between the antler and the ear that is cut as well. So they really are beautifully cut and very delicate, intricate designs. We have our little gingerbread houses. We could make a little city with those. We've got our bauble. Here's our car. Christmas tree. Floral cluster. We have some skis, some snow skis. This is the plate with all the presents. A star with a ribbon. More presents. More gingerbread houses. Here's a cute little gingerbread boy. There's another reindeer. Some bells. Some birds. a gorgeous bow, poinsettia flowers. We have a beautiful wreath. We have some pine leaves, or maybe it's mistletoe, candy canes, another gingerbread house, more houses, star, and then lots of baubles that you don't have to cut out. These are all cut out for you, so saves you a lot of time. You don't have to do fussy cutting with these paper die cuts. You can just go straight to creating and creative mode. Just get straight into your card making or your scrapbooking or whatever project you are creating. There's our little hot chocolate, and we've got Santa's sleigh. Here's our gingerbread little boy. More flowers. More flowers. Another candy cane. Another hot chocolate. Some more bells. And the words Christmas time. And some more presents. So lots and lots and lots of die cuts, 55 in total, that you can use to put onto your Mintay Merry Little Christmas projects. So this is our Mintay Papers brand new collection, Merry Little Christmas. It's going to be hugely, hugely popular. I can see that for sure. It's a gorgeous, gorgeous collection. Lots of pretty colours, pretty images, perfect for getting started on your Christmas cards and your Christmas scrapbook layouts. If you haven't already subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do so. That way you'll stay up to date with all of my videos and you won't miss anything. I hope that you enjoyed this video showcasing Mintay Papers Merry Little Christmas. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a lovely crafty day.